Key Security Systems presents a tech support video. How to change the battery in a PowerMax external bell box. The SR-740. You will need one ER34615M battery per device and a phillips-head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. Firstly, we need to open the cover. The retaining screw is located under the screw cover on the bottom of the box. Access the screws by prizing open the plastic cover using a small flathead screwdriver. Use the Phillips screwdriver to loosen the retaining screw and the cover will come off hinging from the top. Be careful as to not lose the retaining screw. After removing the cover from the box, you may receive a tamper alert from your alarm. You can unplug the telephone lead before you start. This will stop the system from calling anybody. Once you have completed the battery change, wait 5 minutes before plugging the telephone lead back in to ensure it has finished the calling cycle. Alternatively, if you do receive a phone call from the system, answer the call and press the number 2 on your phone's keypad to stop it calling the next number. The battery is located behind the cover. To open the battery compartment cover, release the small clip on the right-hand side. Remove the battery and unplug it by carefully pulling on the connector. Then you can plug in the new battery. The connector can only be inserted one way. Ensure it is securely connected. And insert the battery back into position. Close the battery cover, snapping it firmly shut. Reattach the cover, hooking in the top first and hinging down, and while holding the cover in place, tighten the screw and then close the screw cover. Check the panel to make sure the amber trouble light has gone off. If not, reopen the device and ensure the battery is properly connected and the cover is closing properly. To learn more about the PowerMaster security system and other Visonic devices, please visit www.keysecuritysystemsltd.com.